ugly fuck!
Mayday, Mayday. This is Oceanic Flight 10. One, two. All engines are out. Repeat, all engines are out. Ground control, do you read? We're making an emergency landing north of the city.
Fuck off!
Repeat, all engines are out. Ground control, do you read? We're making an emergency landing north of... Hang tight, okay? We're coming right now. Everybody pack up.
We're on our way. Watch the road. We'll be there soon.
Nice job, mates. We're safe now, thanks to you. But we won't make it long without food. If help don't come soon, we're gonna have to head to town. Meantime, maybe you could see if anybody needs help. We're safe here for now, but there's still a lot to do. A lot of people here need help. Go talk to them and see what you can do.
God damn it, this is hopeless. This baby needs some new spark plugs or she ain't going nowhere. Shame though, it's a hell of a car. A battalion of those freaks wouldn't slow this baby down. So, if you can find me a few necessary parts from any nearby wrecked cars, and we get this ride rolling, I'll let you take her out anytime you want. Deal?
Yeah.
Excellent. You locate those parts. You know where to find me.
I heard this. Urge came from outer space.
Can somebody help me with this bloody door? Hey, remember me, mate? I'm the doctor, but I can't do much without medical supplies. The door to the infirmary is locked from the other side, and Anne's in critical condition. You think you can help me break the bloody thing down?
Yeah, okay.
I appreciate it. Go on, then. I won't go in there without things around. Take him out! Good on you, mate. Now let me get to work. Can't help her without the proper medical supplies. What a bloody disaster. Nothing here at all, is there? We need to think of another way. Will you help me? I need you to locate an ambulance or one of the lifeguard vehicles. Inside, you'll find a paramedic bag with all the necessary equipment in it. I'm pretty sure I saw one by the Diamond Bungalows.
I'm in.
Without your help, we'd all be 6 feet under by now. We're bloody walking corpses.
Kelly's worried about her husband, Will, but I think he's probably okay. If you happen to be nearby there, can you see if you can find him?
I'ma try.
His name is William. He's about 6'1", black hair, good looking. He's a concierge. He has a friend named Doyle who works in the Diamond District bungalows. I'm thinking maybe he's hiding out there.
Simoy doesn't know what the fuck he's doing.
I ran out in such a rush I left my necklace behind at the hotel. It's in Bungalow 6 in the silver section. My husband gave it to me. It means a lot to me. I'm offering a reward. Can you help me?
Okay.
Thank you. Please, be careful.
Feeling like these bodies are starting to rot. You smell that? We need to burn them before they start attracting more of these walking dead motherfuckers. Do me a favor. See if you can't get some gas from that station nearby.
I'm up for it.
Okay, good. See if you can find a car. That way you can move more gas.
Hey, I'm Dominic. This piece of shit antenna's too weak to reach past the island. We need a signal amplifier to cut through the static. I worked on an antenna at the lighthouse nearby. I'm sure they got an amplifier there. We wouldn't last a minute against those things, but you, think you can get it for us?
Yeah.
All right, excellent. You bring it back as soon as you can.
Now what? Getting in shape.
I don't know if anyone can hear me, but if you can, I'm all alone in a bunker on the Cape. Please, I need help.
Whoa, great job. Nice. Now just give me a sec and I'll get this bitch running.
You just saved a lot of lives, mate. You may have even saved Anne's. Thank you.
Anything good in there? Do that again?
Help me, please! 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 My husband. He's bleeding. Can you help us?
Name's Roger, brothers. And this is my wife, Jess. We were driving like a bat out of hell when I saw that broke down car. Part of me said, forget about it. But I couldn't do that and live with myself, so we stopped to see if we could help. The driver must have been in shock or something because he threw himself at us like a crazy guy. I had to kill him. But this was self-defense. I was protecting myself. You gotta believe me. But you know what? He took a bite out of me, man. Shit. I think I got whatever he had. Rabies. I don't know. Fuck. Who the hell knows? But can you get Jess out of here? If I start to lose it, I don't want to bloody hurt her.
I'm up for it.
Hey, man. Thanks. Should take her to the lighthouse. My brother James should be there. He'll take her in.
There are people living in the lighthouse? Thank you! Can you check on my husband?
Can't be. I can't believe you're alive. When we left Cinemoy, you looked like Jesus. Anyway, you better go see to James. I'm sure he'll be surprised as hell to see you still alive and kicking. Follow me, I'll take you to James. I'm sure he'll be glad to see you still alive. James will probably want to talk to you first.
Let's hope there's something useful.
He's in the back there. You should go talk to him. James is at the top of the lighthouse. Go see him.